hapon. Mayad Aldaw, Iligan. Muna'y greetings kung taga Bukidnon ka. Mayad hapon tayo alan mga sunod ko dini ta Iligan City and Lanao del Norte. To our Muslim brothers and sisters, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh po sa inyong lahat. To our very dynamic, brilliant Chancellor of Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology, Attorney Ali Sidney Ditokalan. Daghan yun kay salamat, Chancellor, for fantastic hosting of World Skills Northern Mindanao. Daghang salamat sa tanan ng efforts and thank you so much on behalf of TESDA Secretary Jose Francisco Kiko Benitez and the entire force of TESDA in the entire country. Please accept our thanks and gratitude to Mindanao State University Iligan Institute of Technology. Thank you so much, Attorney Ditokalan. To the City Government of Iligan, Mayor Frederick Siao, represented by Administrator Dr. Darwin Manubag, thank you so much, sir, for your presence. I would also like to extend my greetings to all the distinguished officials of TESDA nga gipangunahan sa among pugi kayo, very energetic and dynamic Regional Director Rafael Abrugar II. O patindugon po na po ang tanan ng mga provincial director sa TESDA. Let me begin with our technical delegate, Regional Provincial Director of Bukidnon, PD Artemio Del Rosario Jr. Thank you, PD. Our PD from Camiguin, PD Carol Ranalan. Our Provincial Director from Misamis Occidental, PD Romel Nathan. Our Provincial Director from Misamis Oriental, PD Dr. Marigold Chiri Garrido. And most especially, our host Provincial Director, PD Dr. Noraya Akas. Thank you so much, PD. The entire World Skills Northern Mindanao would not be possible without you. And let me also extend my greetings to our partner from TESDA MBHTE, the Provincial Director of MBHTE Lanao del Sur, PD Aslawi Batu. Asa na itong President? Sa Iligan and Lanao del Norte, TVET Association President. Thank you so much, Sir Samuel TVET Mercado. And to the rest of the members of the TVET Association, palihog palindog, ragod mong tanan, asa naman sila. Members of the association, thank you so much, naka-green light out mo. Thank you so much to all of you, ma'am and sir. To the President of Iligan Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Sir Reggie Punong Bayan. Where are you, sir? Palakpakan nato ang Chamber of Commerce. The head of our local school board, Ma'am Jennifer Densi. Ma'am Jen, where are you? Thank you so much. And of course, our CITEC of Iligan City, CITEC Madrigal Dianalan II. Sir, please stand up to be recognized. And before I proceed my message, I would also like to acknowledge our champions from Mindanao State University, representing Mindanao State University, IIT, in the World Skills Philippines, in the World Skills ASEAN, in the World Skills Asia, and now they are flying to World Skills International that will be hosted by Shanghai, China this coming September. Let me acknowledge Abraham Badar, Brunel Ariscado, and our champion coach, Professor Faith Baldonado. Thank you so much to all of you. Pwede na malingkod. Let me acknowledge also our experts. Asa ko atong mga experts, babe, pagbarong ragod mo. Pagpakan po na to atong mga experts, oy. Thank you so much to all of you. Thank you for constantly guiding our students and our champions. And most especially, I would also like to acknowledge, pwede ta mamarong tanan, atong i-acknowledge our talented, our dynamic, the heart of this competition, our young and dynamic competitors. Pagmarong mo tanan, be? Thank you so much to all of you and congratulations in advance. Pwede na mo maglingkod.
Patong ko na daw.
The Philippines' successful hosting of World Skills ASEAN Manila in 2025 demonstrated the strength of Filipino talent and our country's capacity to deliver a world-class skills competition. More importantly, it highlighted the power of collaboration among government, industry, training institutions, and local communities in advancing skills development. Today, Northern Mindanao contributes to that continuing momentum o kita karon nagpadayon sa pagdala sa atong kalihukan pinaagi sa pagpakita sa atong kahanas, pagkamaayo o dedikasyon sa atong mga abilidad. Over the coming days, the competition will serve as a platform where participants can demonstrate not only technical competence but also critical workplace values such as discipline, adaptability, creativity, teamwork, and professionalism. These are the qualities that employers seek and that industries increasingly require in today's rapidly changing environment. As we all know, the future of work continues to evolve. Digital transformation, automation, artificial intelligence, kabalo na po mo gamit og AI? Artificial intelligence or AI and the emerging technologies are reshaping the industries and creating new opportunities. In this landscape, skills have become more important than ever. As President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. stated during the World Skills ASEAN Manila 2025, ang ingon sa atong pinanggang nga Presidente Anaiko, skills are the new global currency. They empower individuals, strengthen enterprises, and drive national development. End of quote. This is precisely why competition such as World Skills Philippines remain relevant and important. They encourage continuous improvement, raise training standards, foster innovation, and inspire excellence among the learners, trainers, and institutions. To our competitors, you are the centerpiece of this event. Your presence here is already an achievement. It reflects the countless hours you have spent learning, practicing, and preparing for this opportunity. Each of you carries not only your own aspirations, but also the hopes of your institutions, communities, and industries. As you take on the challenges ahead, remember that success is not measured solely by medals or trophy or ranking. Excellence is also demonstrated through perseverance, integrity, discipline, and willingness to learn and improve. Bisan unsa pa ang resulta, ang inyong maayo dinhi ang dakong daogan. Compete with confidence, compete with humility, and compete with understanding that this experience is helping you prepare for greater opportunities and possibly for future representation of the Philippines to the international competitions. pareho sa atong mga champions nga magrepresentar not only Northern Mindanao but the entire ASEAN to the World Skills International this coming September in Shanghai, China. Ayaw kahadlok sa hagit, salig sa inyong kahibalo, salig sa inyong kaugalingon, salig sa inyong pagbansay, ug sa inyong kaugalingong abilidad. Ipakita ninyo ang labing maayo nga bersyon sa inyong kaugalingon ni ining pila ka adlaw nga kompetisyon. To our experts, trainers and coaches, thank you very much for your invaluable guidance and mentorship. Your dedication plays a crucial role in nurturing talent, developing competencies, and instilling a culture of excellence among our competitors. Through your efforts, we continue to strengthen the foundation of quality skills development in the entire country. To our industry partners, asa man ato mga industry partners, kaway-kaway galing be? Asa naman to sila? Di na ako makita diri sa stage. To our industry partners and sponsors, thank you so much for your steadfast support. Your active involvement reinforces the vital partnership between government and industry in ensuring that our training programs remain relevant, responsive, and aligned with workforce needs. Together, we are helping create pathways towards productive employment and sustainable careers for Filipinos. Likewise, I extend my sincere appreciation to the organizing committee members, technical working groups, staff, volunteers, kaninyong tanan, nga dili makita diri sa stage, daghan kay salamat kaninyo. Asa na mo may pataas sa inyong mga kamot. Thank you so much to all of you both from TESDA and from MSU IIT. Daghan yun kay salamat kaninyo. Your hard work and commitment have made this event possible. Daghan yun kay salamat gikan sa pinaka ilalong sa akong kasing-kasing. As we officially open the World Skills Northern Mindanao 2026, let us remember that this event is more than a competition. It is a celebration of human potential, a platform for excellence, and an investment in the future of our nation. May this occasion inspire us all to continue promoting a culture where skills are valued, excellence is pursued, and Filipino talent is recognized not only within our communities, but also on a global stage. Once again, let me congratulate all of you, my dear TESDA family, diri sa Tibuok, Northern Mindanao. Daghan yun kay salamat, especially to our young and very energetic Regional Director, RD. Wala ka nag-expect, RD, no? That visit that we had about 2 months ago in Iligan will result to the hosting of Mindanao State University Iligan Institute of Technology for the first ever World Skills Northern Mindanao. Busa pagpakan yun nato ang atong pinaka-generous na host, Attorney Ali Sydney dito kalang. Thank you so much, Attorney Chancellor, for your partnership with TESDA Region 10. And I know that R.D. Rafi is also very happy with this. And with your pronouncement a while back, that yearly you will host and you will conduct the skills competition in IIT speaks a lot more than what you can say in words. That's a sign that higher education institutions like Mindanao State University are now opening their doors and recognizing that skills is already equivalent to that diploma, that degree programs that we are giving to our people here in Iligan and the rest of the country. By the way, Mindanao State University, IIT, is not just an ordinary institution. This is one of the top research universities of the entire country and of ASEAN. Busa pakpakan nato ang Mindanao State University IIT. To all of you, TESDA Region 10, from our RD, from our PDs, to our administrators, baru bragod mo mga administrators, di? Pakpakan po nato niya itong mga administrators, both from TESDA and administrators from the private institutions. Asa naman ni sila? Thank you so much to all of you. Pwede na mo maglingkod. Wala ba mo kikapoy? Why kapoy-kapoy? Kaya naapay World Skills this coming September. We changed the date. Instead of August, we don't want to be conflict with the TESDA anniversary celebration. So we changed the date to September 7 to 11 in Clark, Pampanga. That will be co-hosted by TESDA National, by Clark Development Corporation, by the province of Pampanga, and the city government of Angeles City. So that's one of the biggest event that we are hosting for the World Skills Philippines 2026. Before ko magnao, allow me, pasaylo ako ninyo pero nalintan ko ni, allow me to acknowledge also one of the pillars of TESDA in Region 10 and the entire country. So, nakita nato nga ang kaayo di ay, imagine that, ang kaayo sa atong regional director karon is because of the kaayo o kabrilyan sa punuan. So let me acknowledge this one of the pillars who establishes TESDA in the entire Region 10. Let me acknowledge our former TESDA Regional Director, Rafael Abrugar, the first na sa likod. And please forgive me also to mention this. Their family is grabe yun ang banking sa ilang pinangga na igsoon o sa ilang regional director. So let me acknowledge the entire family of the Abrugar family. Thank you so much for your continued support to TESDA Region 10 and the entire TESDA. To all of you competitors, I wish you the very best. May you perform with excellence, and I hope that you will learn from each other. Dili kay kontra, di namumutan na sa iyang accomplishment, di ba? You learn from each other, benchmark from one another, and make Northern Mindanao and the Philippines proud of you. I am expecting nga ang tanan mo daw dire will be representing Northern Mindanao to the World Skills Philippines this coming September, and some of you will be sent to World Skills ASEAN that will be hosted by the Philippines, by Malaysia, by Indonesia, by Vietnam, and by Lao PDR next year, August 2027. So considering that Indonesia, their government opted to back off from hosting, we are dividing the competitions to 5 countries all over ASEAN. So, maybe some of you will go to Malaysia, some will go to Indonesia, Vietnam, Lao PDR, and some will be in the Philippines. So, maswerte ba itong mag-represent dito sa ato ang nasod sa upat ka nasod? Di ba? And, after that, World Skills Asia will be hosted by Dubai next year also. So, kinsa man to'y mudawag sa ASEAN will be representing our country to Dubai. And World Skills International 2029 will be hosted by Japan on September 2029. So, ang mudaog sa inyo nga mga bata diri na ay chance nga kamoy magdala sa flag sa Pilipinas dito sa nasod sa Japan. Excited ba mo, anak? Ang uban sa inyo, basi ipadala na to sa Vietnam, sa Lao PDR, sa Malaysia. Ang uban, nga mo daw dito, ipadala na to sa Dubai, sa United Arab Emirates. So, kami na yung gasto, anak, sa Central Office, RD. ang mag-represent dito sa international. Just like our competitors that will be representing the Philippines to World Skills International Competition this coming September 2026 in Shanghai, China. Ang central office na po bahala anak, pero ang city government kay naaman ang atong pinangga nga administrator nga mo inyong little mayor diri sa city of Iligan mo contribute gihapon kanila, willing gihapon kay na sila mo dawag ay nagipaagi sa amo admin diretso na sa ila. Kay anyway, the success of these competitors will be the success of the city of Iligan also. So, murag tas-tas na ako nasulti, no? Sa ngalan sa atong pinangga nga Secretary Jose Francisco Kiko Benitez, Northern Mindanao, TESDA, and MSU-IIT, Attorney Dito Kalan and R.D. Rafi, please accept our deepest thanks and gratitude to all of you. Lastly, before I go down, I pray to our Almighty God, our Senior Santo Niño, and the great God of my great ancestors, the magbabayan of the IPs all over the country and all over the world, and our dear Allah, to our Muslim brothers and sisters, nga unta ang tibuok World Skills Northern Mindanao 2026, walay mga katalagman nga mahitabo ug tanan mahimong magmalipayon for their participation of World Skills Northern Mindanao. Nga kani nga event will be used by God Almighty to make use all of us as instruments, as He transform our hearts, our minds to be instruments of peace, social justice, and economic development of our beloved Northern Mindanao, our beloved Mindanao, and the rest of the Philippines. Kaninyong tanan, good luck, and mabuhay kitang tanan.